Hey folks, right here I've got a rechargeable handheld flashlight from the brand Kentom, model number KT5300. So yeah, this flashlight is kinda dead now. I'm guessing the battery kicked the bucket, but the lamp and at the circuit board, they're still running fine, still hanging in there. So now I'm gonna crack it open to check all the parts, see what goodies are hiding inside. Later on, I'll take these parts and make another video showing how I reuse them to craft some fresh new inventions. If you're into tinkering like me and you love this stuff, then subscribe and follow my channel, alright, so you won't miss the new videos I'm cooking up. While tearing this thing apart, I'll also talk a bit about this flashlight. Stick with me till the end so you can see all the parts hidden inside this little guy. This flashlight uses two types of bulbs, one round bulb 6V6W and one U-shaped fluorescent tube 7 watts, powered by a dry 6-volt 5-amp battery. Charging power is AC 220 volts, with a frequency of 50 Hz, just your regular home power. Now, this type of flashlight, for the very first charge, you usually juice it up for 16 to 18 hours. Just plug it in and leave it be. After that, all the later charges only need about 4 hours and the battery's full already. As for lighting time, the round bulb runs continuously for about 4 hours, and the U-shaped tube lasts around 7 hours non-stop. And as for this product, it seems the manufacturer, Kentom, a Vietnamese brand, has already stopped making this model or replaced them with newer versions. However, you can still find this lamp at some retailers. With the components you've seen so far, we can recycle them from those components such as LED lights and the battery. As for the battery, if it's still usable, then we can reuse it, and components like the circuit board can be recycled. For the LED lamp, upcoming, I'll release videos using and recycling these components. Please subscribe to follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments section. I really look forward to your feedback. Thank you for watching.